guys. Lay down, lay. Pasok! Good. Hello, what's your name? Riley. Hello, Jerry. And my name is Luna. What's your name?
Marika.
What's your nickname?
Mike.
And what is your middle name?
Teologo.
What?
Lamos.
My mom is Ramos, just like me. Just like my middle name. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and if you get tired of exercising, drink water. That's okay if you're tired when you don't exercise. If you exercise but it hurts and you try it again but it still hurts and again, and you will get muscles just like me. So you get strong just like so you exercise. Be healthy and exercise and don't eat junk food. You need to just eat vegetables and you need to exercise too, so you will get strong just like me and my dad. My dad's here. I'm gonna show you. Dad, we should exercise, right?
Yes. Why? Is that your vlog?
Yeah,
Are you vlogging?
that's my dad. I got a 6'7" friend. 6'7". That's goodbye.